Hello everyone! We will be talking about the structure of DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. So who discovered it? James Watson and Francis Crick, working at Cambridge University, discovered the structure of DNA molecule in 1953. So during 1953, Watson and Crick built a structural model of the DNA molecule, where both were awarded a Nobel Prize in 1962 for their achievement. However, the story of the first discovery of the structure of DNA goes back much further. Watson and Crick were only able to propose the structure of DNA because of the work of others. Rosalind Franklin has been researching the structure of a number of substances using a technique called X-ray diffraction. So after some time, it has been discovered that it was not Watson and Crick who discovered the structure of DNA. It was Rosalind Franklin. And what happened then is that Watson and Crick took what Rosalind Franklin discovered and built the DNA model upon it. Using the X-ray diffraction, Rosalind Franklin discovered that the DNA is a double helix, as you can see here in the picture. Watson and Crick were able to use her results together with other material to propose the now familiar double helix structure for DNA. So it was Rosalind Franklin which discovered that the DNA is a double helix. And afterwards, Watson and Crick took Rosalind Franklin's discovery to build a model that shows that the DNA is a double helix. Unfortunately, Rosalind Franklin died of cancer, and she was unable to get a Nobel Prize for her discovery of the DNA structure using the X-ray diffraction. Usually this technique is found in the physics course. It is used to see how atoms and molecules are built. So, this was about the structure of DNA and who discovered it, and the story known behind this discovery.